చెప్తాను చెప్పాను ఫోర్త్ పడాలని
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Very good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm good. So shall we start? नारायण समारंभां शंकराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरु परम्पराम् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. So today we are all going to discuss about emotions. So as in level 1 we are talking about emotions. In level 1 we will be understanding what emotions are, how they are coming actually, so what is their source, resource, how they can be manageable, how they are affecting us. All these aspects we will be discussing in level 1. In level 3 we will be discussing completely about mind management. Okay, so what is an emotion? What do you all think an emotion is? Emotion is a reaction. You can, you all can hear me?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
No, ma'am. I'm not able to return it.
So
No.
the starting few points which I'm going to say you all, the starting few points which I'm going to say you all, like I'm not going to present them in PPT. I want all your attention to understand those points, okay? So emotion is a reaction to the internal memory or thought. Emotion is a reaction to the internal memory or thought or to the external environment. Okay. That. Then what is mood? Do you think mood and emotion both are same? Mood and emotion both are not similar.
I think twice. Which one, ma'am?
No, they are not same.
Exactly. So mood affects this emotion. Yes or no? Mood do affect the emotion. So let us categorize emotion into positive emotions and negative emotions. Can you list out the positive emotions which you all know? And list out the negative emotions.
Yeah.
Positive emotions.
Sadness.
Kindly
Happiness.
I'm unable to mute.
Lahadika.
Kindly mute yourself. So positive emotions are happy, love, compassion.
Bluetooth connected. Bluetooth connected. Okay.
Negative emotions are anger, anxiety, guilt,
Sad. Sad.
jealousy, sad, hurt. Okay, these are negative emotions. Okay. So if you consider apart from love and emotion, all other emotions are connected either to the past or to the future. Every emotion apart from love and compassion are connected to either past or to future. If you consider anger, something has happened, then you react to it, anger. You imagine something is going to happen, you feel anxious. Something has happened, you feel regret, guilt for that. So every emotion is either connected to past or future. That's why like many gurus ask all of us to live in present, that is this moment. Only love and compassion are connected to the present moment. Friends, kindly cooperate, kindly mute yourself. Lot of disturbance is coming. So all the gurus or spiritual teachers, whoever are there, they all of us, they all ask all of us to live in the present moment, that is to show compassion, show love, so that we will be in a happy state rather than carrying any other states in our mind. Okay, clear up to here, right? Now, do you all remember the rectangle of CBT which we discussed earlier? Our beliefs impact our thoughts impact our emotions impact our behavior impact the outcome or the result. If you want, you can just draw the triangle once again. Right, this is the structure. So in CBT, what happens? It is a psychological theory. It's a technique which is used to heal the psychological aspects. That is cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. In CBT technique, we believe that if we want to change our behavior is based on emotion, and emotion comes from the thoughts. So we need to work on the thoughts so that the emotions and behavior can be altered. So this therapy is called as CBT. Okay. Now there is another therapy called as rational emotive behavioral therapy, RECBT. RECBT. So RECBT works on, now we have worked only in CBT, like, till thought process, right? So in RECBT, we go